Yo, what's up, chat? In our last video, we just did My Secret Monsters Worlds Tour. Watch that after this. But I forgot to show y'all Wubbux is, Sound. The new guy that I got, his name is Wubbux. I'm not even lying. I'm not even saying it wrong. His actual name is Wubbux. So I'm going to show y'all it today. Chat, we're going to be posting every single day we're going to post. Every day we're gonna post, I promise. I'll try my best. Alright, this is how we're gonna do it. Alright, we're gonna mute all of them. And then we're just gonna alright, so get ready. Tough or not, chat? Is this tough? Alright, now we're gonna wake all of them up. Yup, chat, that's our thing. And we're gonna change our picture. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go here. Nope. 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 Here it is, chat. This is our new one. And we're gonna make it red. This. Alright, chat, that's our new stuff. And you saw my Wubbux. So we're gonna post tomorrow.